I will share it to you. You can download and install Ubuntu Desktop 25 in Oracle VirtualBox. So I already have the Oracle VirtualBox installed. If you don't know how to do this, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. So from the Ubuntu website, so it's ubuntu.com/download/desktop, you're going to scroll down to Ubuntu 25 section, right? So there's 24 and there's 25. We want the latest option. So you're going to select the version that is appropriate for you. So I'm using Intel. Now the download will automatically start. You don't need to subscribe. Now once the download is complete, go to Oracle VirtualBox, select new, specify a name for your VirtualBox, browse for the downloaded image, select other, and here's the 25 desktop. Then select unattended install. Here you can set a username and a password for your VirtualBox. Expand hardware and determine the amount of memory that you want the machine to use. I'm going to increase this to 2 processors. Normally when you have one processor, you run into issues when you're starting up your Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to extend the hard disk as well and reduce it to about 10 gigabytes. Then select finish to continue. The installation will automatically start. So the installation is still in progress. Select install Ubuntu to continue. So the installation has been completed successfully. Now depending on the speed of your computer, this may take 10 to 20 minutes to complete. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.